If you're trying to sell a course or a dropshipping product and you're not getting consistent sales, this is probably why. Most people rely on content, ads, or random outreach and hope something works. But what if you had a system that finds people already interested in your product and reaches out to them automatically? In this video, I'm going to show you the product and how it works at a high level. I'll walk through the system, show you the flow, and explain how everything connects. And if you want a full step-by-step walkthrough, just drop a comment below and I'll make a deeper breakdown. We're going to build this for two use cases: selling a course or selling a dropshipping product. The process is the same. Instead of targeting random people, we're going to find conversations that are already happening around what you're selling. For example, if you're selling a course on AI, sales, or making money online, or a dropshipping product in fitness, skincare, or gadgets, people are already posting about these topics every single day. So step one is not building a list. Step one is finding active posts. Go to LinkedIn and search for your topic. Find posts where people are actively discussing the exact thing your product solves. You don't need to manually collect people. All you need to do is save the post links. That's it. These links become your data source. Later, we're going to use Connect Safely to extract everyone interacting with those posts automatically. So instead of guessing who to target, you're letting real conversations show you where demand already exists. That's the foundation of the system. Here's the stack we're using: Claude for intelligence, Connect Safely for pulling data from those post links, RapidAPI for enrichment, and ICPs for contact data. All of the links and tools I'm using are in the description below. Once you have your post links, this is where everything comes together. Now we go into Claude, and instead of overcomplicating it, you give it a very direct instruction. You tell it, I need an AI SDR that will use the Connect Safely API to pull in leads from post links I provide and handle timed outreach to these people for selling my product. First, set up a flow to pull all likes and engagement from a link I provide. Then use a LinkedIn data API through RapidAPI to pull in additional information from those profiles. Before sending any connection request, qualify who would actually get value from my product. Then generate a personalized message for each person based on their profile and activity. And also build a simple UI for me to manage everything. I want to be able to paste in post links, see the leads being pulled in, review messages if needed, and track outreach and replies. Now here's the most important part. Connect Safely is what powers this entire system. It's what takes those post links and turns them into real, usable lead data. It's also what allows you to actually manage this like a real SDR pipeline instead of doing everything manually. Without it, you're stuck scraping and guessing. With it, everything becomes structured and scalable. If you're going to build this, that's the one piece you need. I've put the exact link in the description below. That's what I'm using, and that's how you can plug into this setup. From there, Claude maps out the logic, the flow, and even helps generate the code structure. You connect your APIs, refine the flow, and turn it into a working system. For hosting, I suggest using Firebase. It's simple, fast, and works well for this type of setup. Once everything is running, the system handles the process. It pulls people from real conversations, filters them, personalizes outreach, and sends messages at the right time. And when someone is interested, it directs them to your product, your course, or your checkout. That's the full loop. There's more depth to this, especially around prompts, reply handling, and scaling it properly. If you want, I can break all of that down step by step. But for now, this is exactly how you can get started. Make sure to check the link in the description to get access to the same setup. And if you want the full build out, the exact prompts, and the full system, drop a comment below and I'll walk through everything in detail in the next video.